How to register dropshipping business. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So when starting out with dropshipping, you can go with the sole proprietorship. It will be quite feasible for you as you would just have to use your already existing legal name. If you don't want to create a separate identity, you can use your own name and file the taxes as a self-employed or the sole proprietor. And you won't be needing any social security number as well in the beginning if you are starting out with sole proprietorship. But if you want to create a separate identity, then you can register as the LLC. For that, you will have to first decide the name of your business and make sure that no other business has the same name in your state. So according to the country that you are in, and the tax laws will differ accordingly. So according to the tax laws, you would have to register with the respective tax authorities. Simply go onto their official website, and after that you can register your business there quite easily. And this is the way. So start out as a sole proprietorship, then you can go with the LLC, as LLC requirement is not mandatory. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.